I'm just taking some gel and I'm just gonna slick back. So now that my hair is all gelled back, I'm just gonna pin the braids up. So what I'm gonna do now is take the Got2b Glued Freezing Spray and just spray like a thin layer close to the hairline on your forehead. So I'm just gonna let that dry for a few minutes and I'll be right back. Let's just put the wig on first and make sure everything matches up before we stick it down. I'm just gonna pull this back a little bit, spray along the hairline. So just kind of where the cap meets the skin.